In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a tag for your contacts in the audience section. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a clean, reusable tag that helps you organize and target your contacts more effectively. We'll keep it simple, and I'll share a few tips so you can avoid common naming mistakes and keep your lists tidy. First, head to the audience area. This is where all of your contact management tools live, and it's the foundation of your organization strategy. Think of your audience as the home for every person you might email, message, or segment later. Navigating here ensures you're working in the right space before you create anything new. Next, open contacts. This view focuses on the people themselves, everyone currently in your audience. It's a helpful spot to confirm that you're in the correct audience and to get a sense of how many contacts you have. If you manage multiple audiences, double-check the one you're in so your new tag ends up exactly where you want it. Now, click Tags. Tags are simple, customizable labels you attach to contacts to group them in a way that makes sense for your workflow. Unlike fixed fields, tags are flexible and stackable, so a single contact can carry multiple tags like interest, region, or lifecycle stage. This is what enables targeted messaging without overcomplicating your lists. Choose Create Tag to start a new label. You're not changing any existing tags here, you're just making a fresh one you can apply later. Creating a dedicated tag for a campaign, an event, or a customer category can dramatically speed up your future filtering and reporting. Type the tag name. Keep it clear, short, and consistent. For example, use a format like Event Spring 2026 or Customer VIP rather than long sentences. Avoid special characters or emojis if your system restricts them, and be mindful of capitalization so your tags look uniform. A good naming convention pays off when your list grows and you need to sort or search quickly. Finally, click Add Tag. Your new tag is now saved and ready to use. You should see it appear in your tags list, which confirms everything worked. From here, you can apply this tag to contacts whenever it makes sense for your campaigns, automations, or reports. If you ever outgrow a tag, you can update or retire it later while keeping your contact data intact. That's it. You navigated to audience, opened contacts, selected tags, created a new tag, named it clearly, and added it successfully. Thanks for watching, and keep your tagging system consistent for the best results.